For new recruits, we obviously looking for the right skill set to suit whatever role they may be in. We're also now looking for a willingness to cross-train as well. We don't just want to pigeonhole, like, you know, welder, a machinist, etc. We are trying to broaden the skill base so that people can do certain things. I mean, with our export as well, we're also fortunate enough to give people the opportunity to travel. You know, I've got 2 engineers at the moment in the States, actually working for Amazon, sorting out some equipment over there now. So it's a nice opportunity, and it's very varied. For the manufacturing industry, the opportunities, you know, I think Great Britain has always been a hub of manufacturing. I mean, we're sitting here in Birmingham, which is, you know, heart of the Industrial Revolution. It used to be called the City of 1,000 Trades. It's less so now. There's a lot more service industry. But we are still fortunate enough to have a lot of subcontractors around in the Birmingham area. Like I say, laser cutting, subcontract steel suppliers. So it's still alive. We just need to keep the people coming through.